Hi, I'm Tamiko from Graco, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the cover on the 4Ever Extend2Fit 4-in-1 car seat. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the infant head support and body support as well as the harness covers. So what I like to do is loosen the harness straps. Just press on the button in the front and pull those out. Then undo the chest clip as well as the crotch buckle. And now you can pull out your body support. Just work your way around the buckle. To pull the head support out, you just slide it through and it'll come out pretty easily. Next step is to remove your harness covers. The next thing we're going to do is remove the headrest cover from the headrest. So first you want to move the headrest position to the top. So you have two sets of snaps. The first one connects the soft goods, and then the second one is attached to the car seat itself. So you'll release those on both sides. Now that the snaps are off, we're actually going to turn the seat to the side so we can undo the elastics. So you'll notice there's an elastic loop here at the belt guide. So you'll want to undo that, and you do it on both sides. So you turn the seat to the back, you'll notice two additional elastic loops. So just release one side and then the other. Now that your elastic loops are off, you can start to pull off the headrest cover. Just make sure that you pull your harness straps through. You can place this on the side. Next, we're going to remove the seat pad cover on the bottom, and then we'll move to the side panels. So to get this part off, you're actually going to pull up on the soft goods. You'll hear some snaps. So this is what we were taking off. So there's 4 holes here, and these plastic tabs were inside, so all I did was pull those out. Next, I'm going to undo the snaps that are on the side. Then you can start to pull your cover up. Just make sure you pull through your harness strap adjuster. And then you'll also be able to pull through your crotch buckle. And then as you get to the top here, there's going to be a snap on both sides, so you want to undo those. Then you can pull your cover off. So to remove the side panels, we're actually going to put the headrest back down. And then we're going to undo the elastics that are at the back of the seat. So there's an elastic on both sides, so there's one here and one here. So we'll just undo those. Now we can remove the side panels from the car seat. So you just start on one side, just lift up the cover, and pull it off. Then we'll want to do that on the other side as well. On this side, you'll want to make sure you work around the level indicator, so just pull it over. Then you can place that to the side. And so now you've removed the soft goods from your car seat. Now that all your soft goods are clean, you're ready to put it back onto your seat. Just make sure you have all of your parts. So first we're going to start by replacing the cover that goes on the side panels. So just place these. So I like to work on one side and then move to the other. So when you get over to this side, just make sure that you work around the level indicator. So you want to push that cover behind the level indicator. So once we have the sides complete, we'll actually attach the elastic. So you have 2 elastic loops here at the top, and they'll go through a hole in the car seat, and then you'll attach it to the back. So next we're going to replace the bottom of our seat cover. So just like to place that on top. You have to pull through your crotch buckle, and then make sure your harness straps come through as well. You'll want to make sure you have both your chest clip and your buckle. Next, I'm going to start pulling the cover over the cup holder, and then I'll do the snap that's on the side. And I'll repeat that on the other side. One more thing to make sure you pull through is your harness strap adjuster. So just put it through that slot that's in the front. To connect this, you're now going to match up the plastic tabs with the holes in the front. So you have 4. So you'll hear a snap as each one goes in. Okay? So now what we're going to do is connect the side panel to the seat pad. So there's a snap here, so you want to make sure that you do that. The next thing we're going to do is attach the headrest cover to the headrest. So the easiest way to do this is actually move your headrest up to the top position, and then just start to work around the headrest. I like to start with the top and then work my way to the sides. Okay, so now there's a couple of snaps that you need to do on the front. The first thing you want to do though is make sure that your harness straps are in the front. And then you have your snaps. So you have 2 sets of snaps on each side. So you have one snap that's connected to the car seat itself. So you'll do that one first. And then your backrest cover attaches to the snap as well. And then you repeat it on the other side. To finally attach the headrest, you'll have 4 sets of elastics. So you'll have elastic on this side by the belt guide and on this side, and then we'll flip to the back and I'll show you those 2 there. So you pull through your elastic. You can do that on both sides. And then we'll turn to the back. So you have an elastic loop that you want to pull through the 2 holes here. The next thing we want to do is actually lower the headrest, and then we'll start to put in the infant head support, body support, and the harness covers. So you'll notice as I was lowering it, I made sure that the backrest cover was in the front. You want to make sure that's there and not behind the seat cover. So first we're going to start with the body support. So you want to make sure that your slot on the bottom lines up with the slot that's on the seat pad. Just pull through your crotch buckle, and then you can also pull your harness straps around the front. Next thing we're going to do is put in the head support. So you just slide this through the slot that's in the headrest. And then finally you can attach your harness covers. Just make sure your hook and loop faces outward. Now you can attach your crotch buckle and your chest clip. And then finally, you can tighten your harness straps. And now you've replaced your soft goods on your 4Ever Extend2Fit.